In this stretch tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to do a 3D calf stretch. So this is a lovely stretch variation to get lots of movement in multi-directional planes as you're doing a calf stretch. So what I want you to do is have two hands on a wall. Both of your feet are going to be facing towards the wall, so completely straight. And whatever leg you'd like to work in terms of your calf stretch, that's going to be the back leg in this example. So in this position, I've got my foot against the wall, my front foot, my right leg in this example, and I bend my right leg. And in this position, I'm now feeling a stretch through my calf on my left-hand side. If you don't feel the stretch, you can always come a little bit further back and bring your back leg more into dorsiflexion. So from here, I'm feeling that stretch. I've got my weight forwards through my hands, so I'm taking my body weight into the wall. And from here, I'm feeling a gentle stretch in my left calf. I'm keeping my leg on my left side completely straight at the knee. From here, what I want you to do is to come forwards and back with the back leg's knee, so my left knee in this example. So you'll notice I'm flexing and extending it. I'm bringing it into a position where it's completely extended, and then flex, extend, flex, extend. You can repeat that for your desired amount of repetitions. There's no right or wrong variation or number. And then from here, I'm now going to come back into my calf stretch, and I'm going to come side to side. So we was going forwards and back last time. Now I'm rocking my hips from side to side. You'll hit different parts of the calf with this as well. So I'm not using my upper body, I'm using my hips here to come side to side, which is then going to be moving my knee. And then the last one is, again, I'm using my hips. I'm going to come into circular rotations, and you'll start to feel, again, those different parts of the calf you'll be stretching. Try not to come too much out of the position, so try not to do the circles really big. Get into that stretch where you feel the calf, and then from here, it's those little circles. You might just decide to do clockwise and anti-clockwise. Doesn't really matter as long as you do those 3D variations. That's how to work your calves in a stretch in multiple different planes of motion.